No, it's like coming from the mirror.
The mirror?
Yeah.
Wow, that's weird.
That was a loud one.
Yeah.
It's probably just pipes in the wall or
I'm
something.
sure.